Ever wondered why zinc is crucial for men's health? It's not just another mineral on the nutrition label, it's a key player in a whole bunch of bodily functions. From building muscle to maintaining testosterone levels, zinc plays a vital role. We're going to break down why zinc is so important, how you can make sure you're getting enough of it, and what happens if you don't. So stick around because this information could seriously upgrade your health game. Let's talk about why zinc is a superhero for your muscles. Guys, zinc is essential for protein synthesis. That's just a fancy way of saying it helps your body use protein to build and repair muscle tissue. Whether you're hitting the gym hard or just trying to stay active, zinc is your best bud for muscle recovery and growth. And it's not just about looking good, although that's a bonus. We're talking about maintaining strength and mobility as you age. Zinc ensures your muscles are always ready for action, whether you're lifting weights, playing with your kids, or just going about your day. But here's the thing. Our bodies can't produce zinc on their own. That means we need to get it from our diet or through supplements. And trust me, you don't want to be deficient in this essential mineral. Low zinc levels can lead to muscle weakness, fatigue, and even slower wound healing. So how do you make sure you're getting enough zinc? Well, that brings us to our next chapter where we'll delve into the best food sources of this muscle-boosting mineral. Stick around! Let's face it, guys, a full head of healthy hair is something most of us want. Well, guess what plays a critical role in that? You got it, zinc. This mighty mineral is like a building block for healthy hair follicles. See, zinc is involved in the production of keratin, a protein that makes up your hair, skin, and nails. Without enough zinc, your hair can become brittle, prone to breakage, and might even start thinning. Nobody wants that. But here's the good news. By ensuring you're getting enough zinc, you're giving your body the tools it needs to maintain strong, healthy hair. Think of it as an investment in your overall appearance and confidence. And hey, it's not just about vanity either. Healthy hair is a sign of overall good health, so when you're taking care of your zinc intake, you're taking care of your entire body. But what if you're not a big meat eater? Don't worry, we've got you covered. In the next chapter, we'll explore some awesome alternative sources of zinc. Now you might be thinking, okay doc, I get it, zinc is important. But doesn't that mean I have to eat red meat every day? Not necessarily. While red meat is a great source of zinc, there are plenty of other delicious and healthy options to get your daily dose. Let's talk about some plant-based powerhouses. Pumpkin seeds, for example, are like little nuggets of zinc. They're also packed with magnesium, which is great for muscle recovery and sleep. Sprinkle them on your salads, blend them into smoothies, or just snack on them straight up. Next up, we've got chickpeas. These versatile legumes are not only high in zinc, but also a great source of protein and fiber, making them a perfect addition to your diet. Toss them in curries, roast them for a crunchy snack, or whip up some hummus. And don't forget about lentils. These tiny nutritional powerhouses are packed with zinc, iron, and protein. They're also super versatile and can be used in soups, stews, salads, or even as a meat substitute in burgers and meatballs. See, getting your zinc doesn't have to be boring or restrictive. By incorporating these delicious and nutritious foods into your diet, you can easily reach your daily zinc requirements and reap all the amazing benefits. But what happens if you're not getting enough? We'll dive into that in our next chapter. We've talked about all the great things zinc does for your body, but what happens when you're not getting enough? Well, it can lead to a condition called zinc deficiency, and trust me, it's not pretty. One of the first signs of zinc deficiency is a weakened immune system. You might find yourself getting sick more often, taking longer to recover from colds, and feeling run down. And let's be honest, nobody has time for that. Another common symptom is hair loss. Remember how we talked about zinc being essential for healthy hair growth? Well, without enough of it, your hair can become brittle and start falling out. And that's definitely not the kind of hair transformation any of us are looking for, but it doesn't stop there. Zinc deficiency can also lead to skin problems like acne, eczema, and slow wound healing. It can even affect your sense of taste and smell, making your favorite foods seem bland and unappetizing. The good news is that preventing zinc deficiency is totally doable. By eating a balanced diet rich in zinc-rich foods or talking to your doctor about supplements, you can ensure your body has all the zinc it needs to thrive. So don't wait until you experience these symptoms. Be proactive about your health. So there you have it, guys. Zinc is an essential mineral for men's health. playing a vital role in everything from muscle growth and hormone production to healthy hair and a strong immune system. Remember, your body can't produce zinc on its own, so it's crucial to get enough of it through your diet or supplements. Now, I always say it's best to get your nutrients from whole foods whenever possible. But if you're concerned about your zinc levels or think you might be deficient, don't hesitate to talk to your doctor. They can help determine if supplementation is right for you and recommend the appropriate dosage. At the end of the day, it's all about taking control of your health. By making informed choices about your diet and lifestyle, you can ensure your body has everything it needs to function at its best. So go ahead, zinc up your life and enjoy the benefits.